great news for anyone looking to make money online. There's a brand new method that will make you $30 every 10 minutes. In today's video, I will be showing you what this method is and how you can do this to start earning money right away. It's a very simple method and you don't need to have any special skills to do this. You will not be doing any affiliate marketing or answering surveys. This is completely beginner friendly, so anyone can practically do this method. This method that I will show you today is available worldwide, so you can do this from anywhere in the world you are. This is also 100% free, so you don't have to pay anything to get started on this. Now make sure to watch this video completely so you don't miss out on anything that I will be sharing today. I will also be sharing tips and tricks all throughout the video, so don't skip any part of this. Before we dive right in, please go ahead and hit the like button to help us with YouTube's algorithm. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos on how to make money online and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are out. The first thing I want you to do is go to Skillshare.com. This website contains different types of online workshops, video training, and courses. People go on this website to basically learn new things or pick up a new hobby or talent that they want to acquire. What I want you to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom part of the page and then select the Become a Teacher option. You're then going to create an account as a teacher and then start posting videos on teaching a specific topic. Don't worry, as you will not be filming any of your own videos for this, and I will be showing you how to do it in this video. There are two ways that you can earn on this platform. The first one is by creating videos on a certain topic by teaching, and the second way you can earn using this website is by making use of the referral system. So if you're not teaching, then you can keep making money by referring people. How teaching works is that you're going to create your first class. You're going to film your Skillshare class and publish it with the Easy Class Upload tool. After that, you are going to grow your following, and I will show you how to build your presence in the Skillshare community later in this video. You will be paid monthly for every member who watches your classes. To start a class, click on Start a Class right here. You will be taken to this page where you are going to sign up. You can then fill out all your details being asked and just proceed with that process as you normally would. Once you're all signed up, you will already have your account. You can also see a guide on how and what to do to start a class, and then an upload video button for you to upload your teaching video. Now, where you will find ready-made teaching videos to post on Skillshare, you can go ahead and open renderforest.com. This is where you can get the ready-made videos that you can use to start making money. You can find here stunning video templates for any purpose. Create animated promos, logo reveals, slideshows, kinetic typography, music visualizations, and many more with our online video maker. You can choose any template that you want, but I highly recommend that you choose the Whiteboard Animation Toolkit because this is what's going to draw people the most. To start creating your video, just click on the Create Now button, and after that, you will have to select from three options. Option 1 is to add a scene, which means you're going to browse scenes and add them to your project. Option 2 is to load a preset, which means you're going to choose from ready-made stories. Option 3 is to type in your script, which basically means that you're going to just type in your script. Choose the second option and click Create. You will see all of the ready-made stories right here. Now you can either watch the video or just click on the blue button to finalize your selection. Although the video is already made for you, there are some changes that you'd have to make. So what you're going to change is the text positions, the font size. You can also change the color. Once you've done everything, you can click on Preview to download the video, and that should save straight into your computer. You can now upload it on Skillshare and make money from it. You can also repeat the whole process to create a new video and earn more bucks. That's it for our video today. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit the like button to let us know that you enjoyed this type of content. Feel free to share with your friends and family too, so they can take advantage of this opportunity. Make sure to also subscribe to the channel to learn new strategies on how you can earn money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.